How to log in into Amazon Chase credit card account. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can log in into Amazon Chase credit card account. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, you have to open up a browser in your device. Navigate to the search bar, then type in chase.com. Then you'll be taken into this piece. Now to sign in, navigate to top right, tap on sign in option. That's gonna take you to the sign in piece. Now all you have to do is enter your login credential. First of all, enter your Chase Online Banking username. Under that, enter your password linked with your account. In case if you forgot your username or password, there is a link given there that says forget username or password. Tap on it, follow the on-screen instructions and recover your account. If you don't have an account yet, you could also enroll or sign up and create a new account. So once you're done entering your credential, tap on the blue button that says sign in, and with that you will be logged in into your account and you can access your account. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.